super exciting episode today. We're gonna be learning ao trançado, which is one of my favorite capoeira cartwheels. To be able to do amazing ao trançado, you need two main things. Number one, you cannot be afraid being upside down, so practice your handstand. Number two, you'll need auzinho. There's a tutorial on my channel for that if you want to try. Once you've got those down, you're ready to go. Let's start the tutorial. Sweet. Once you've done the exercises by the wall or by the fence, now we're gonna try to do those without it. And you might say, what if this is too difficult? What if you cannot get your leg all the way up? Well, you start lower. Well done. If you got to this point, you learned 200 ao trançado. But ao trançado is actually, in fact, a one-handed movement, and then you add the second hand much later. And for that, you need auzinho. I'm not gonna lie to you, this last bit of ao trançado is pretty difficult. You need to do a couple things at the same time. You start back to the front, you twist your body inside, you place your hand in the correct way, and then you swing the other arm. As you go up, you swing it behind your head. You need to be patient with placing the other hand. Only then your body will twist around the base hand. That's your tutorial. If by any chance your ao trançado still doesn't work, you might pay attention to those common mistakes. Bringing chin to your chest is gonna really help you with learning the movement. Start and land on the same foot. Some people also switch legs while learning ao trançado. Don't do that. Switching legs will come later when you want to transition from ao trançado to different movement. Lastly, a very small but super important detail: don't place your hand in whatever position. You need to twist it outwards, yeah? Counterclockwise with your left and clockwise your right, I guess. That's it. Let me show you some application ideas. That's us done. Hopefully you learned something. Please let me know if you did pull off ao trançado after watching this tutorial. Also, you are the only one who can help me to grow the channel, so please share this video with anyone who wishes to learn ao trançado. That's gonna be appreciated by myself and them as well. That's it. Thanks very much, guys.